In this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding a payment method to Fiverr. To begin, visit the Fiverr website at fiverr.com. Once there, ensure you're on your selling profile by clicking on the Switch to Selling option, which will take you to the Fiverr dashboard. Within the dashboard, navigate to My Business and then select Earnings. In this section, you can view the earnings on your account. Keep in mind that if you have a new account, like in this example, there will be no earnings displayed. Next, proceed to Manage Payment Methods. This action will redirect you to a window where you can add a new payout method. Before proceeding, you will need to verify your account. Follow the provided steps to complete the verification process. Once account verification is complete, you can proceed to add a payout method. In this case, we will select PayPal as the preferred option. Clicking Continue will trigger an email confirmation link. Access your email and click on the link provided. After clicking on the confirmation link, you will be directed to a page where you can enter your PayPal account details. However, please note that if your account has no earnings, you won't be able to add a payment account or make withdrawals. In such cases, you will need to earn money on your account before proceeding with adding the payment account and making withdrawals. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful in explaining the process of adding a payment method to Fiverr.